you know, I'm a night owl, and I enjoy going out for a night ride as much as I do going out for a morning ride or an afternoon ride. And this seems like it's going to be great at doing that. So this is something that you're interested in, whether you're sitting by the campfire and want some extra lighting. This works really good as a pocket flashlight. It'd be just fine. This would be mounted on the tripods. Pretty much, you know, it's pretty universal. I wouldn't say unlimited, but it's pretty universal for what you can use this for. So with that being said, enjoy the test footage here, and